Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence in Industry 4.0. The fourth industrial revolution, or Industry 4.0, is transforming the way industries operate by integrating digital technologies into manufacturing. At the heart of this revolution is artificial intelligence, or AI, which is revolutionizing processes, enhancing productivity, and driving innovation. These technologies enable machines to learn from data, adapt to new inputs, and perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. One of the key applications of AI in Industry 4.0 is predictive maintenance. By analyzing data from sensors embedded in machinery, AI algorithms can predict when a machine is likely to fail, allowing for maintenance to be scheduled before a breakdown occurs. This not only minimizes downtime but also extends the lifespan of equipment.